Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rizky Pensah, and I will tell you my experience tour in Lubuk Baji Waterfall, Sukadana. Lubuk Baji Waterfall, located in Desa Begading, Kecamatan Sukadana. To get to the location, you have to walk for a few minutes from Begasing village, which is in the Sukadana district area. It might take a few time to get to the location by walking. That's why there is cabin in that place. The cabin is useful for the tourists to get there for a while, or the cabin can be used as the photo spot for the tourists who want to immortalize the moment when they go to the location. Also, tourists must be careful when traveling to the Lubuk Baji waterfall location because the land there is quite steep, especially if it rains. Tourists must be very careful because the land there will be very slippery. If tourists are not careful, then they will be slip onto the steep ground and rocky ground. Before get to the waterfall location, tourists might find some interesting forest scenery, or they might find some interesting plants and animals on the way. The plants such as kantong semar and animals such as dragonfly, water lizard, green snakes, python snakes, and many more. After some few minutes walk, finally, the tourists can reach the waterfall. The waterfall have a nice view, the view that many people can enjoy, such as forest scenery, and people can swim and relax while they hear nice bird sound. Also, there are many people take a picture on the Lubuk Baji waterfall. It because Lubuk Baji is the favorite spot for people and tourists to take photo, and Lubuk Baji is the favorite spot for people to relaxing, swimming and playing in water while enjoying the nice, beautiful forest scenery and the waterfall scenery. There are many good things on the Lubuk Baji waterfall, such as the water can be drink and the water is very fresh for the body because the water is come from the fresh mountain, and people can tend to drink the water after they reach the waterfall. After done relaxing on waterfall location, many people and tourists park their stuff at 4 a.m. It because at 4 a.m. it's getting dark and it's hard to see a way out when it's dark because there's no light in waterfall location. So many people park their stuff at 4 a.m. After the tourists done relaxing on the location and getting stuff to get home, the tourists can still see the beautiful location of the mountain on the waterfall location.